Alright guys, so this is Emitek. Today's video I'll be showing you guys on how you are gonna trade on SuperEx EFX futures trading. Okay, I'm like I explained in my previous video, I explained on how to get the airdrop and I explained a lot of things on how to unlock your token, how to buy ET coin. So on this video, I'm gonna be explaining on how you can trade on futures trading on this particular exchange called Super EX exchange. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do before you trade on futures here, you need to have USDT. I think the minimum you can even trade with as low as $1 or so. I think so. So you need to make deposit. Click on wallet, then you click on deposit. All right, then you click on USDT. You are going to select your RC20, then you copy the address to make deposits. Okay, so I think the minimum deposit is $5, or I don't really know. So that's for that. Now, after you have deposited, what you need to do next is to click on transfer. Then you click on this particular area, change this spot to this USDX. You click on this angle so you can see it has changed. This is the available amount I have in my spot wallet, but in your case you will get your total balance. Whatever amount you have in your USDT will be here, so you put the amount. If it's $2, if it's $3 or $4 or so, then once you click on confirm transfer, it's going to be sent to your futures trading balance. Okay, so once you are done with that, you click on futures. Okay, click on futures. So yeah, as you can see, this is the I have $14 in my futures balance. So you click on futures. Now this is how you trade on futures. Now I'm going to be explaining a few things here. I don't really have much time. This is not a full class on Binance on futures trading. So I'm just going to be giving the key points here so that you can trade. Okay. Remember, this is absolutely a risk. So I'm not a financial advisor. Anything you are doing here is at your own risk. Trade with any money you know you can risk here. Okay. We trading here is as a result of unlocking the ET coin token that was given to us as an airdrop, which the amount is rising rapidly daily. You can see it is currently at $23. As at yesterday when I did the video, it was $18 or so. Today is $23. So this is the reason why we are trading on futures. So when you click on futures, um, when you click on this particular three line here, you're going to see, click on all, you're going to see all coin. So any of the coin you want to trade from, depending on the signal given to you, you can just pick any coin and trade with as low as $1 or $2 or even $0.5. Just leave the trade open for 24 hours, because the longer your trade stays, the more the coin, the token they are going to be unlocking for you, the ET token. So let's say, for example, I want to trade BNB. Where is BNB? I'm just going to look for BNB. You can search it here, BNB. So this is BNB. So I'm going to click on it. So this is BNB. So there are two options here. It's either you buy, which is open long, or you sell, which is open short. So most times when you hear a long and short, it's an easy explanation to tell you that you either buy or you sell. So buying means you are predicting that the market is going to go up from the entry point you entered. Selling means you are predicting that the market is going to go down from the point you enter. So that is the two easiest explanation I can give on this video. So you leave it at markets, leave it at markets. Then market simply means you are buying at the current amount. Limit simply means you are putting a price that you want the coin to enter into the trade. So I recommend markets. Put it on market. So now this leverage, this is what we call leverage. You can see it this place here. You can see it. This is what we call leverage. So leverage simply means the higher your leverage, the higher profit you are going to make, and also the higher your money is going to get liquidated. Liquidated means your money can eventually be fast in removing. like in when you are going into loss, like your market, your prediction is going the wrong side, your money tends to run faster. Same way when you are making profit, you get to make profit good. But as a beginner, I recommend you use 6, 7, 8. Just use from 20 to 1. Okay, 20 to 1 leverage. It is good as a beginner for you. Now, I'm going to be explaining what this cross, you can see cross margin, isolated, and split. This split is not on Binance, and it's not on Binance, but it's on this place. So cross margin, the simplest explanation I can give you on this cross margin is that as your, let's say for example, I'm having $14 here, and I used $4 to trade. Now, if the market is going against me, the system is going to collect, it's going to collect part of the USDT here to be able to regain. So you understand. So to be able to regain part of the losses, so that it can be able to accommodate some losses. For example, I pick $4 to trade here, and I'm having $10 left. So what a cross margin does is that if I'm on loss and the $4 I pick can no longer handle the loss, they are going to collect extra money from my $10 here to be able to accommodate that loss, so that if the market comes bounce back to profit, I can still be making profit. Okay. But on this isolated, the system only make use of the amount I stake. If I stake $4, that is the only amount they are temporarily with. They are not going to enter into the remaining balance here. So if, for example, I'm in loss and my $4 got liquidated, my trade will stop. It is not going to temper with the remaining $10 here. That is the isolated. I believe this split simply means combination of cross and isolated. I don't really know. I have not really done a lot of research on this. Okay, so I believe it is a combination of both cross and isolated on this split. So for beginners, I recommend you use isolated. Okay, for me, I usually use cross, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using isolated. So you click on isolated, you click on confirm. So now, just like I said, I want to trade on BNB. Okay, so click here to, let me just analyze the market and pick any trade. So BNB is currently at $290. So for example, if I want to long this, okay, should I long this or I should short this? Okay, let's see. I think this is still gonna come down. So let me try and short this. So I'll click on close. So I will click on open. Click on open. Okay. If you want to close trade, this is when, okay, click on open. So I'll click on I'll put $1. Click on USDT. It will be on coin, so you put it on USDT. I'll put $1. I'm trading with $1. So I'm leaving this on 20. Let me put it on 20. That is my leverage. So what I need to do now is I'm going to click on sell. That means I'm using $1. I'm shorting this particular market. I'll click on sell. So now they are going to ask you to do a quiz, so that for the first time, so you click on start quiz. All these answers are simple. Just follow my answers. What is the maximum leverage? Just click on 150. Then this one, click on 100%. Okay. And then this second one, you click on select the last one. You select the last one, number 4, number 5. Select the last one, number 6. Select the last one, number 7. You select the last one, number 8. You select the last one, number 9. You select this center one. Then number 10, you can click on I agree. So you submit answers. You can see all answers are correct. So trade futures. So this is it. So we can now click on sell. So click on sell. Maximum amount number is 10 point per one coin. Okay. So let's click on sell. Let's see. Okay. I'm coming. Okay, guys. Sorry, I just need to get some informations, and I've already opened a trade. Now, let me close this trade and open it again. All right, trade has been closed. Now, if you want to open a trade, let's say for example, I'm using 10x as my leverage, which I recommend for you guys, or you can as well use 20x, but I advise you use 10x. Now, I want to trade with $1. I want to short this BNB. My target here is that um, this particular coin is going to go down before 24 hours or so. So I'll put what I'm going to be using $1 to trade. So what we need to do is to click on USDT. Then on this particular yellow sign here, you drag it till you get $1 on your margin. So okay, $1. You can see it. This is $1 margin USDT. So I'm using $1 to trade. So I'll click on sell. So this trade has already been opened. So you can even use $0.5 to pick a trade. So just make sure the trade is open for like 24 hours. So once it starts showing green here plus something, it means I'm on profit. And this unrealized PN will be showing the profit I've already been making. So if it's showing minus something, it means I'm on loss. So let me open another trade now. I'll click here. Let me open another trade on Ethereum. So this is Ethereum. Click on Ethereum. So let me check the market wave on Ethereum. I'm just picking a random trade. So let me pick Ethereum to go up from here. Let's see if okay. Let's see. So you can see I'm already on loss on this. So I'll pick Ethereum. I'm gonna use $1 to trade on Ethereum. $1 or so. Then leverage. I'm gonna put it on 20, 20, 20. All right. So $1. So I'll click on open long. Okay, you can see I have plus 10% here. So I have two trade going. So I can also pick another trade from BTC. So this is just how to pick a trade. Okay. So if you want to trade on spot, you can click on trade here. Trading on spot just means you are buying and selling this coin. Okay. You are buying and selling. You can just be doing it. Or you can also trade other coin. You can buy other coin here, BTC. You can buy other coins. You can see it. You can buy Tron. When you buy it from spots and you see that it rises to some level, you can actually sell off. This is just the normal buying and selling we do on Binance. But the main purpose of this video is on features. Okay, I'm currently on loss now, but let's see if we are going to recover. You can see it because my leverage is not that kind of high. It hasn't affected my balance yet. So this is how you pick a trade from futures trading. So the more you trade, yeah, the more I can leave this trade for even in a whole week because before I can get liquidated on this particular Ethereum need to go to $1,294 before my own $1 will be wiped off. But you can see the current price of Ethereum now 1,347. Same goes to BNB. Same goes to BNB. So before I can get liquidated of my $1, the BNB price need to go to $300. So you can see I'm currently plus 0.27% now. So this is just how to trade futures on SuperEx. So that is all for today, guys.